And the second step to deploying a contract is, you need some tokens to pay for the gas price. So to get the tokens to deploy a contract, the tokens to test with on Testnet, you would come to MetaMask here. You would generate, you can make more addresses if you want. You can add accounts. You can add all the keys you want through MetaMask. I already have this one created, and I'm going to click this little icon here to copy that address ending in 08A5. And I'm going to come to our faucet. We have a Testnet faucet here. And the URL app.telos.net/testnet/developers. And we'll get these links all pasted into the chat and into, I think once we get it up on YouTube, we can put it maybe in the comments. But this is where you come to get tokens on our testnet. Now we do have our native network, which requires you to have an account already created. So we have a process. If you're building on native, enter an account name and the public keys to use. It'll create the account on testnet. If you already have the account on testnet, you can just paste the name of the account here and get some testnet tokens. Or if you want EVM, that bottom one is the way to go. I paste the address there ending in 08A5 and I say send me some tokens. And then we can come back over here and it should refresh pretty quickly. I got 50. So now I have 50 tokens to work with on the testnet, and I'm ready to go to the next step.